debit and credit.
Patabi ng inom.
Okay, debit and credit. Okay. Next one, class. So class, unang-una, dapat all your assets, followed by liabilities, followed by your owner's equity, then followed by drawings, if any, tapos followed by revenue and expenses. That would be your order. So under assets, dapat daw, it is based on liquidity. So malamang liquid yan ay assets, cash, di ba? Pero naman class ay date of maturity. Okay? That's the order. So class, assets muna, liquidity. Siyempre una, your cash. Magkano yung cash? What's your cash? 470. So you have